Hi everyone, it's Kathie here in Bundaberg, Queensland. Just had a catastrophe, couldn't fix it, so I've decided to wipe it all off, and I'm going to lose that in a minute. I've decided now just to do a ring pour, and I'm using black, white and gold, and hopefully I will get something that I don't say yuck to. Oops, nearly dropped the white. That would have been a yuck job. And I'm just putting the colours in, and then we can get the show on the road. Oh, the recipes for these colours and the pouring medium you'll find down below. Show more underneath this video, and you are looking at 16 by 20 inch or 40.6 by 50.8 centimetre canvas, so it's actually quite large. And I'm hoping I don't muck up, because you muck up on these big ones and it's quite a lot of paint you're losing. So not good. Wrong one. Try the other black. Okay, I'll try this black. And I'm hoping this will turn out pretty good. And the last of the gold. Some more white. I think that might do. Let's see how this goes. I'm going to travel it around a little bit and we'll just see how we go. Silence. Well, a little bit more there. Alright, that might do it. Oh, it's pretty. Alright, so let's just give it the run around. See what we've got. Okay, so let's have a look. Oh, have some cell action here. I say that's from Floetrol. And am I getting happy? I am. I'm just taking up some of this paint while I'm having a look at it. And I think I'll take it off this corner first and bring it down, stretching all the arms on these big ones. There you go, thank you. And then back over this one. Down she goes. I think we'll bring it back. Take it over that one. over. Yep, that's over. And then this one lucky last corner. Moving quite nicely now. Right. And then I'm going to bring this white down a bit closer to the middle. The gold looks absolutely brilliant. Come on, white, nick off. Too much of you. You know, bring the gold down. It is going in its own good time, but that's okay. Looks like some nice patterns here for my jewellery making. Alright, I think that might do it. I'll just put that there and maybe back. Might have gone a bit too far. Come on. Now I might have done my dash. Alright. That's okay. On there you go. I've got some beautiful patterns here. Look at that. Goodness gracious. Absolutely beautiful. And the gold. Try not to lose their lovely patterns, but you know, look, they're beautiful. And we'll go along here, and yet again more. All right, can't keep them all, I suppose, but you can try. All right, I'm just going to wash my hands, and then I'm going to torch this one and just see what we have. Plenty of paint on the corners now. Black is such a hard colour to get off your hands. Every other colour comes off and you're left with the black. Still not off totally, but off enough to bring this up and give it a torch. Yes, I like this one. Ooh, don't like you though. Get over. That's it. To torch it. Ooh, I'm excited to see what the Floetrol does. In there. Well, I've got some cells, little fellows, and I'm in love. This one's really nice. Looks really good from this side angle. Yes. Looks like a big white crest from this one. So the paints and the pouring medium recipes you'll find below the video on Show More. Under Show More, and there's also a link down there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. This is what I was looking at. You're more than welcome to come and join us at Australia Art Dreaming. We'd love to have your company. That's about the area with the most cells. And then there's just little ones between the lines here, where the gold is just poking out as well. Just those cells, yes, they're little ones coming up in the gold. It would appear that the gold is what has reacted to the Floetrol. Usually it's the white, or I find it is. Today not so. Look at that. This is the other angle I said that I liked. As you can see, I really do like that one. I think I might put it that way on the wall. Yes. Alright. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified as I put up videos. Please give this one the thumbs up. I do appreciate that. It helps YouTube find the algorithms and so to place my videos. And I really do hope you've enjoyed this. I have. And I'll catch you later. Bye for now.